Analyst. Boost your IELTS score with this historical term. Imagine uncovering the secrets of the past, meticulously recording every detail of historical events. This is the world of the analyst, a word that might just boost your IELTS score to that coveted 8.0 band. Let's explore this intriguing term and how you can use it to elevate your English proficiency. Word type. Analyst is a noun, meaning an analyst is a person who writes annals, which are historical records or chronicles, typically organizing events year by year. This person is responsible for documenting and preserving important occurrences, often focusing on a specific institution, place, or period. Word history. The term analyst has its roots in the Latin word annalus, meaning yearly or pertaining to a year. It entered the English language in the 16th century, derived from the medieval Latin annalista. The concept of recording yearly events dates back to ancient civilizations, where keeping track of history was crucial for governance and cultural memory. Antonyms. While there are no direct antonyms for analyst, we can consider terms that represent opposing roles or concepts. These might include fabricator, which is someone who makes up false stories, or futurist, a person who studies and predicts future trends rather than recording past events. Synonyms. Some synonyms for analyst include chronicler, historian, recorder, and archivist. While these terms are similar, an analyst specifically focuses on year-by-year accounts, whereas a historian might take a broader approach to studying and interpreting the past. Examples used in sentences. The medieval monastery's annalist diligently recorded every significant event, from royal visits to natural disasters, providing an invaluable resource for modern historians. As the company's unofficial analyst, Sarah maintained a detailed record of all major milestones and achievements since its founding. The city employed an analyst to document its growth and development, creating a comprehensive yearly account that future generations could reference. Common errors in use. One common mistake is confusing analyst with analyst. While an analyst records historical events, an analyst examines and interprets data or information. Another error is using analyst interchangeably with historian. Although related, an analyst specifically creates chronological records, while a historian may engage in broader interpretation and analysis of historical events. To truly master the use of analyst in your IELTS exam, remember its specific connotation of yearly record keeping. This nuanced understanding can help you achieve the 8.0 band score by demonstrating a sophisticated grasp of vocabulary. By incorporating this word into your lexicon, you're not just learning a new term, you're gaining insight into the meticulous world of historical documentation and the importance of preserving our past for future generations.